Starting just above your hip bones, lean back on the foam roller. Find your balance. Interlace your fingers behind your head to offer support for your neck. Roll to the top of your spine of your scapula and roll all the way down, finding the places that are least comfortable along the length of your spine. I found a few places right where my thoracic spine meets my lumbar spine. I'm going to hang out, drop my hips onto the ground, and relax. Once I feel like the pain has dissipated, I'm going to continue rolling the length of my spine. When I don't feel any more places that are uncomfortable, I'm going to start my mobilizations. Starting at the top of my thoracic spine, I'm going to drop my hips and open my chest by lowering my head. Take a deep breath. Raise my head again, raise my hips, and I'm going to move down a couple of inches. I'm going to repeat the movement. Deep breath. Come back up, move down a couple more inches. I'm going to continue this pattern all the way down through my lumbar spine. And that is thoracic and lumbar spine mobilizations.